In this video, I'm going to show you how to play this hymn. For the first phrase, and the left hand is just 1, 4, 1, 5. Okay. 1, 4, 1, 5. Yeah. And next phrase, we have 1, 4, 1, 5, 1. It's very similar, but when we play the second half, I will play 1, 5, 1, 1. It's like that, yeah. Move down to the chorus. For the left hand, I want to play 1, 3, 1, but I intend to play a relatively higher one because the top melody goes on to that top one. So I will do 1, 3, 1 like this. Yeah, and then I will do 6, 4, 5. Yeah. 3, 1, 6, 4, 5. Yeah. For the next phrase, I will do 1, 4, 1. Okay, because the top note reaches the top 3 over here, it sounds better, slightly better if you play a relatively closer accompaniment. Yeah. If you don't have time to move your right hand over, you can play the last one melody on the left hand. This is the full piece, so I'm going to play it through. Thank you very much for watching.